Hello, my name is Vedant. Our seminar topic is Green Buildings, a step towards sustainable Earth. Next. The contents. We will be talking about green buildings, why green buildings are necessary, its history, principles, building envelope, sustainable materials, GRIHA, and benefits. And also we will be talking about case study. Next. Green building does not have a worldwide accepted definition, but the World Green Building Council defines it as a building that in its design, construction, or operation reduces or eliminates negative impacts and can create positive impacts on our climate and natural environment. The USA has defined it as a holistic concept that starts with the understanding that the built environment can have profound effects, both positive and negative, on the natural environment as well as the people who inhabit building every day. And the Indian Green Building Council defines it as one which uses less water, optimizes energy efficiency, conserves natural resources, generates less waste, and provides healthier spaces for occupants as compared to a conventional building. Next. Why green buildings are necessary? Because the conventional buildings utilizes large amount of resources, which indirectly affects the global concerns such as climate change, ozone layer depletion, greenhouse gas emissions. Next. Conventional buildings versus green buildings. In conventional buildings, large use of resources like energy, water, raw materials, land are responsible, and it is also responsible for large greenhouse emissions and other harmful air pollutants. It also generates large amount of construction and demolition waste, and it also seriously impacts the life of plants and wildlife animals. Now, Dinesh will continue.
My name is Dinesh, and I am going to continue from here. Green building and history. Firstly, green building concept was introduced in the year of 1990 under the concept of BREEAM. After that, United States adopted this method. Firstly, in India, green building movement was started in the year of 2001. After that, Lead India was launched in the year of 2003. First green building in India was constructed in Hyderabad in the year of 2004, and further in 2007, GRIHA was adopted as national rating. Next. More about green buildings. Green building is that it considers sustainability aspects in all phases of building design and planning, use of environment-friendly building materials and products, use of efficient system, use of construction techniques and system which make building easy to operate and maintain. Climate analysis plays important role in advising the design of green building. Next. Principles of green building. There are 6 principles of green building. First, sustainable sites. Second, energy efficiency. Third, water efficiency. Fourth, environmental quality. Fourth, fifth, material and resources. And last, waste reduction. Next. LCA and cost of green building. LCA is life cycle assessment. It is a method to assess impacts of all stages of a process from start to end. It contains all the methods we study, sustainability, compatibility, and durability of the building. Here is a chart giving the data about the green buildings which are constructed in India, having their surface area and their rating achieved. Next. Building envelope. Major role to optimize energy efficiency, endure environmental conditions. Good insulation can reduce energy consumption by up to 10%. R value and U value. R value indicates the resistance to heat, and U value indicates the resistance to thermal resistance. unit in unit time per unit area. Further, Pradumn will continue.
Good evening, friends. I'm Pradumn Suryakar. Now we will look into sustainable materials, green pro eco-labeled products. Number of products are listed here, like construction blocks, cement, tiles, insulation, construction chemicals, high performance glass, RMC, architectural products, etc. Like utilization of industrial waste like fly ash, slag, low VOC products, water organic compounds, reduction in hazardous and non-hazardous waste disposal to landfills, higher visible light transmittance, use of sustainable raw materials. What does the GRIHA stands for? Actually, it is Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. The features of GRIHA are performance-based rating system, common sense-oriented rating system, emphasis on integrated design approach, rates AC, non-AC, as well as hybrid buildings. What GRIHA assures? GRIHA assures us 30 to 50% reduction in energy consumptions, as well as renewable energy integration to offset grid demand, 40 to 65% reduction in water consumption, waste management during construction and demolition, 30 to 40% decrease in operational cost. Something more about GRIHA. Like all buildings in design stage have built up area more than 2,500 square meter. Those are eligible for certification. Number of buildings are listed here, like offices, retail spaces, institutional buildings, hotels, hospital buildings, residences, and multi-family high-rise buildings. Some ratings are given, like one star rating 40 points, 3-star rating for 56 to 70, and 5-star rating means 86 and above. Some GRIHA rating assessment, like GRIHA rating assessment depends on number of factors. The most important factor, which is having the highest weightage, is energy. And energy, we will look into some details like energy efficiency, renewable energy management, low ODP materials. The weightage given is 20%. ODP stands for ozone depletion potential. Like construction management also have some weightage. Then water, sustainable building materials, solid waste management, socio-economic strategies, performance monitoring, validation. And the second highest weightage goes for the water, which has details like low flow fixtures, reduced landscape water demand, water quality, on-site water use, rainwater recharge. And it is having the weightage of 17%. From now, Hrushikesh will continue.
My name is Hrushikesh, and I'm going to talk about the benefits of green buildings. Green buildings is one of the most efficient means to achieve a range of global goals, such as addressing climate change, creating sustainable communities, and driving economic growth. Environmental benefits. Green buildings not only reduce or eliminate negative impacts on the environment by using less water, energy, or resources, but also have a positive impact on the environment by generating their own energy or increasing biodiversity. According to United Nations Environment Program, the building sector has the largest potential for significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions of about 84 gigatons of CO2 by 2050. Economic benefits. Economic benefits include cost savings on utility bills, lower construction costs, higher property value of up to 7%, increased occupancy rates, low operating cost, and job creations like stated in the United States and Canada. Social benefits. These benefits include health and well-being of people who work in green offices or live in green homes, such as happier and more productive life. Various studies suggest that better indoor air quality can lead to improvements in performance of up to 8 to 10%. Next slide. This is a case study on SUZLON 1 located in Pune, Maharashtra. Here are some of the features like site area, built up area, energy consumption reduction, water consumption reduction, occupancy hours, renewable energy installed on site, and GRIHA rating. SUZLON 1 located in Pune is a LEED Platinum and GRIHA 5-star rated building. It is one of the greenest, eco-friendly, and self-sufficient corporate campuses in the world. It is spread across more than 10 acres. It is completely powered by renewable energy, including hybrid wind turbines, solar panels, and photovoltaic cells. Through sustainable practices like rainwater harvesting, on-site waste conversion, and on an office and garden design to maximize daylight use, It reduces the operating cost by 35%. Some other features include sustainable site planning measures, passive architectural strategies. Next slide. 55% of the water is recycled, efficient irrigation systems, motion censored light, better insulation by use of fly ash bricks, reduction in quantity of steel and concrete by using the post-tensioning technique. Next slide. Here are some of the images shown of SUZLON on Earth. Next. Here I end the seminar. Thank you all.